In this video, we'll show you how you can master UI design in less than 3 months. However, I can provide a condensed roadmap with simplified steps that can help you make a good start within this time frame. Week 1. Fundamentals and Design Principles. The first step to becoming a UI/UX designer is to understand the fundamentals of the field. This includes learning about things like user-centered design, design principles, typography, color theory, and layout. There are a lot of great resources available online and in libraries such as Interaction Design Foundation, IDF, Udemy, Coursera that can teach you these fundamentals. Study examples of well-designed interfaces to understand the fundamentals. Week 2. Explore and practice using design tools. Once you have a good understanding of the fundamentals, it's time to start working with design tools. Adobe XD, Sketch, and Figma are some of the most popular tools in the industry. I recommend choosing 1 or 2 tools that you're comfortable with and starting to practice with them. Week 3. Design and visuals on mobile and web design. Dive into UI design elements like buttons, fields, iconography, and imagery. Discover the nuances of designing for mobile and web interfaces. Understand responsive design to ensure seamless experiences. Responsive design is an approach that allows your design to adapt and provide an optimal user experience on various devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. Week 4. User Experience Study. User experience, UX, concepts like user personas and user journeys. Learn how to conduct user research and gather feedback. UX concepts like personas are important to learn because they can help UX designers create products that are more user-friendly and effective. They are created by gathering data about the user's demographics, goals, needs, and pain points. Week 5 and 6. Wireframe and Prototyping. Practice creating simple wireframes for different screen layouts. Interactions make your designs come alive. Use your chosen design tool to create basic prototypes with clickable interactions. Week 7. Usability Testing. Learn the basics of usability testing and how to get feedback from users. Perform simple usability tests on your own designs or existing interfaces. There are a lot of different ways to conduct user testing. You can use remote tools, or you can invite users to test your designs in person. Week 8 and 9, Building Your Portfolio. It's important to start building your portfolio as soon as possible. You can start by creating mock-ups of websites and mobile apps. Select your best design work and create a simple online portfolio. Showcase your design process and completed projects. Building a strong portfolio takes time and effort, but it is worth it. A well-crafted portfolio can help you land your dream job, get freelance work, and build your reputation as a talented and skilled professional. Week 10. Industry Insights. Explore and follow design blogs, attend webinars, or watch online design tutorials, or get inspiration from Dribbble, Mobbin, UpLabs, or Behance. As UI/UX designers, there are some days where our creativity feels like it's running on empty. That's where inspirational sites come in. They can help us jumpstart our creativity and give us fresh ideas to enhance our designs. Week 11 and 12. Work on a personal UI/UX design project to apply your knowledge. Focus on a specific problem or concept and create a full design solution. After that, you focus on the UI design, choosing colors, typography, and visual elements that align with the app's purpose. Once your design is ready, you conduct usability tests with a small group of users to gather feedback and make improvements. So there you have it. So what are you waiting for? Start learning today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Good luck!